guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm doing part of my morning clean with me routine. I'm making my bed and getting things cleaned up in my room, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick up the kids' bathroom a little bit, and I'm going to actually have two of my kids helping me clean that, and so you'll see them later on in this video.
Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new.
I don't know if I've ever introduced our cat to you, but this is Mickey. And his favorite spot is to be sleeping on our bed. So when I'm trying to make it, I like to get him off of it so I don't have to move him around too much.
That might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night.
As some of you guys may have noticed, the bassinet is no longer in our room. We've been slowly trying to transition Daxton to his own room. His room will be right next to ours. It actually has doors from our room to his room, so it's not much of a change, but it's just to slowly start to get him in there. We'll be doing a room transformation coming up, so look for that video if you're interested in like room makeovers.
Tonight we've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay.
Alright, so today when I'm cleaning the bathroom, I have Declan and Bristol helping me. I like to have them help me as I clean so that they learn how to do it. and I can watch to make sure that they're washing their hands and everything like that. My older two are now able to clean the bathrooms themselves, but since this is their bathroom, I like to have them help me as I'm doing it so that they learn how to do it.
For a little moment, just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town.
Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope it gave you guys some great cleaning motivation, and I'll see you back here again real soon in another video.
And then you begin.